How's it, everyone? Just a quick update on a Spidey pose. So this is Project Legacy, figure this, figure that, talk figures with the Don chat. I'll get that right one day. So I've just done a quick repose of him, just to show you how agile he is. This is in my cabinet. So you see he's got the web shooting out of that hand, and he's got the web shooting out of that hand. I've changed one of the eyes so it gives a bit of a quizzical look. I've bent the back. I've moved forward one of the legs and bent the other leg backward. As you can see, I've moved the feet to the required position. I'm still using the full diorama piece that came with him, but this is just to show you how versatile he is. Obviously you can't leave him in this pose, but yeah, no, dope pose, eh? But then again, I think I could leave him in this pose for quite a while, I think, and I'd get away with it, because he's not that badly bent. He's not that badly bent. So yeah, I think I would get away with that. Excuse the cables. As you can see, there's only one build-up of suit, and that's there in the thigh, if you can see it on his left-hand thigh there. So yeah, that would be my only concern. I don't know if you can see that there. Yeah, there you go. It's right in the hip joint where the leg touches the hip. So that would be a concern. But how dope is that, man? That's like having Spidey in your home. Aiden, this is for you, bud. This is the Spidey you thinking of getting. Look at the magnificence that is Spidey. Bugger the Hobbit. Spiderman, Spiderman. He beats the Hobbit all day long. Okay, so with that song, I shall leave you. I haven't changed the emblem in his chest. I've still left that. And now I'm actually going to do the Tom Holland head sculpt, but I think that would be more of a standing pose, just showing off the head. But nice, eh? You too can have the Spider-Man if you were only me. And with that said, I'll leave you with a close-up. There we go. That's another one for figure this, figure that. Peace out. The Don.